Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Subway creamy sriracha mayonnaise. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Subway creamy sriracha mayonnaise. So let's head down and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce, juice from 1/2 of a lemon, or about 2 tablespoons, and then 1 garlic clove. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as always, make sure you got a big enough bowl for all your ingredients. We're just going to start out with our mayonnaise. 1 cup. Got our sriracha, our lemon juice, and our 1 clove of garlic. Whoops. Just going to put it into a garlic press and then put it right on in there. Let's go ahead and mix it up really well. Now I'm going to put it into another bowl. We're going to do our photo shoot and we're going to come back and taste it. Here. Oh yeah. Got that smooth creaminess of the mayonnaise and that sriracha in there. Just gives it a little bit of heat, and that lemon brings it out with that acidity. This is really good. Go on more than a cracker and go on a sandwich. Makes a great dip as well. Alright. Don't forget to check out the recipe down below with all the other groovy links I've got down there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like the video, leave a comment, and then share this with everybody that you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.